Hi, today we'll be unboxing a series of ACS parts. The first one being the C7 enhanced front splash guards. These are designed to fit the Stingray, the Grand Sport, and the Z06 from 2014 and up. These are manufactured in an ABS PC plastic, and the goal of the part is really to protect the side of the car. So as soon as you start driving a brand new C7, you'll quickly notice how rocks tend to get projected towards the rear of the car. This is basically due to the wide front tires and the sticky Michelin. So what we have here is a set, so they're always sold in left and right. And what we get in the package is basically the two plastic components. Like I said, they're manufactured in an ABS PC plastic. They're basically chip resistant. The plastic molding goes all the way throughout. They are textured. So this will match the textured finish on a Grand Sport or Z06 front fender extension. So really a nice complement to protect the car. We do also offer the same component pre-painted in carbon flash. So what we do in that case is we mask it. So we do not paint the inside surface. We only paint the visible exterior portion in carbon flash, which will match all the trim pieces already on your C7. Today we're installing a set of ACS enhanced mud flaps for the C7 Corvette. These parts will fit your Stingray, Grand Sport, and Z06. This is the ACS part. What we'll notice is the part is wider, longer, and it's made out of a durable ABS PC plastic. The part that the car comes with is currently on the RC7 here. What we'll notice is that it's flush with the car. So one of the big issues with this is obviously all the chipping that happens on the side. GM does have an accessory mud flap, which is right here. It's a good part. The biggest issue with it is it will end exactly where the fender ends, exposing you to further chipping on the side and on the side of the whole vehicle. It also has spring clips. One of the issues we'll see with this is a lot of the dirt does make it inside between the flap, the liner, and eventually rattle inside the rocker panel. So one of the things we've done at ACS is try to mechanically fasten it to the car. So I'll walk you through the install today, and then you'll see a little bit the pros and cons of each. So what I'll do today is I'm going to walk you through the installation of the ACS SplashGuard on the C7. The first step is to remove the trim panel that's on the car. Step one is to remove a 7mm bolt that's located at the bottom. So we'll need a 7mm wrench. We're going to need a T15 screwdriver and a trim bezel tool, which is optional. You could always pry it, but it does make life a little easier. So the 7mm screw goes out. We're going to save it because we're going to need it later on. So if we start at the top and pull, they're just spring clips. And immediately you see all the dust that's making it through and rocks inside. We use a T15. Good chance to clean the area. So next step is to prep the part to accept the ACS part. Before I do this, I just want to compare a little bit more the GM one. So the GM design clips on just like that one. So here we go. Now the issue with the GM one is we'll notice right here we're fully exposed to rock chipping. The ACS part is a little wider, so we're getting further protection on the side, and the rocks can still creep through by the back side, rattling inside. They're not doing any permanent damage to the car, but you will hear that dinging noise as you drive. So we'll take this one out, and let's go to the ACS one. Once we do this, we want to look on this side and make sure that we get an even gap with the fender line. So what we're trying to see now is we want to get a nice gap between the mud flap itself and the fender line. So we hold it exactly where we want it, and we'll tighten those 3 screws. finally, the 7mm screw we took out of the bottom goes back on.